Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Now today I'm going to create a colour wheel collage. The best way to describe a collage is layering mixed media materials onto a surface. And for this video I'll show you how to create a colour wheel. If you need a little recap on how to create a colour wheel, please look at my previous video on using watercolours to create a colour wheel. So I'm starting with my yellow and I've ripped this piece into a shape, but you could use scissors to cut these shapes differently. And also you can arrange it in a wheel-like formation. So I've started with my primary colours so that I've got spaces in between each of those to add my secondary colours. Remember, it doesn't need to just be from magazines or from coloured card, it could be your own photographs as well to make it a little bit more interesting. But the order in which this is placed will always stay the same. However, you can add your colours in between, so if you wanted a deeper purple between your dark blue and your purple, please add that. And if you want your turquoise in between your green and your blue, that can make for a much fuller colour wheel. Thanks for watching, subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.